guys have a G80, this is a must-have mod that you guys need to do, at least in my opinion. This is probably one of my favorite things by far. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I actually just realized this is the first video with the G80 Ruby. I can't talk, oh my god. I just realized this is the first video with the G80 Ruby Star. It looks absolutely sick. I don't even think I've told anyone on YouTube that I've wrapped it. I've told Instagram, TikTok, but I haven't told you guys. So here is the official wrap reveal, I guess, and it looks amazing. Anyways, this video I am going to be installing the KIES Motorsports Magnetic Paddle Shifters. Let's do a little unboxing for you guys. This should be a pretty straightforward install. But yeah, so here are the paddles. And you know what's so satisfying? But yeah, so here's the unboxing. This is what they look like, front and back. And then I believe these are if you want like a smaller paddle, which I'm not going to be doing. But yeah, okay guys, let's get into the install. All right guys, starting off in the car, obviously, we have the stock paddles, which that's what they sound like. To give you an idea. So for this install, it's pretty easy. I'm gonna try and be pretty straightforward in case you guys are wondering how to do it and need a little how-to video. But yeah, so first gonna pop the airbag out, and then that's gonna get you the access to be able to get the paddles out themselves. So if you guys watched my steering wheel video, then you know to get the airbag out, you have to pierce through this little hole on the side, and then there's like a spring and it pops the airbag out, and then you just pull it right out. So we're gonna get to doing that first. Actually no, first I'm going to disconnect the battery because I don't need this blowing up in my face because that would be no bueno. So let's go to the trunk and disconnect that. Okay, I'm gonna lift this up using a flathead because I need the help. Now we can see the battery back there, which I'm gonna need to hold this up. 10 mil. All right, with that loosened, you can shake it off there and then bam, so it doesn't touch. All right, next step, once that's disconnected, so this doesn't explode, you can take like a flathead screwdriver like I did last time. I'm gonna try this T20 Torx, just whatever you have, to puncture this hole right here and then pop out the airbag. So I'm gonna try this first and see how that goes. But just so you guys can see, this is like, it has like a little mark of where you're gonna pierce through at and then make a little hole there. So we're gonna try that. Okay, I got it. Oh, I think I got it. One side. All right, the other side. I got it. Okay, so honestly, you guys, it's out now, but it took a lot of prying in two people because this like carbon trim on the aftermarket wheel was basically like in the way or catching it, so it wasn't allowing it to come out all the way, but finally able to get it out. And then as you can see, the wiring harness for the airbag is back here, and then push it down and then we'll release. There is that out of there. And now you can see the inside of the steering wheel kind of. So to access these paddles, going to unplug these blue ones. I need to get them out of there. So let's see. I'm trying to pull this out. Now I'm gonna unplug the right paddle and kind of just gonna pry this up and pull it out. Okay, now unplugged, and then there's a little Torx back here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you see that? That is holding this paddle on, so gonna loosen that up and then should be able to fish this wire through and get that one off. So I need a Torx for that. Okay, so this is a T20. I'm pretty sure it is a T20. Yeah, so that's correct. So going to loosen that Torx up, fishing this through once that's loosened up, and I'm just holding the bolt in there so it doesn't fall, but this one's out, and then gonna repeat that with the other side. See, I'm a professional. All right guys, now left paddle, repeat the same process, just pull this plug out, and then you're gonna take the pick tool and pry this up so that I can unplug this one. Okay, now once you pop that one out, you can unplug it like so, and then I'm gonna take this T20 Torx again, and we're gonna, oh my God, loosen this one. All right, see how it's like magnetic and it's sticking to, okay. Now, gonna take the paddle and we're gonna fish this through. Bam, see that? She's through there. And then put the paddle into place. All right, so for these paddles, you're not gonna be reusing the old Torx screws that were in there. So I took those out, and they come with, in a little baggie, they come with a couple different screws. This is like the medium size length one. It's pretty common sense on which one you're gonna be using to install the paddle. So I have this, and then it comes with a little Allen wrench, and we're gonna be installing this in there. So pulled this wire through, and it sits right over here. We're gonna put this screw through, and then should be good to go. I'll drop it. Paddle on there, tighten it. That's so satisfying. I mean, tell me it's not. It's tightened, good to go, and then all you do is plug it in to the new one. Yeah, okay. Now that's plugged in, and then put it back into its little home back here. Next paddle, going to take this one, fish it through the back, pull that all the way through. The paddle lines up right there, and then in this baggie, I think I just dropped that bolt. Right, take the bolt. We're gonna put it in. No, please don't fall. I did it without dropping the bolt. Oh, wait, I'm speaking too soon. Okay. All right, so now with the paddle in its correct place, tighten down the bolt. Once that's tightened, on there like that, and then plug her back in. Once that's plugged in like that, put this back in its home. That is so satisfying. I'm so excited. Okay. All right, guys, magnetic paddle shifter ASMR. That's so satisfying. I mean, let's be so for real, you guys. Anyways, very last step. Now we're gonna put the airbag back in. Now that everything is together, plug the airbag back in. And then the airbag just pops right in. Like so. All right, guys, now that everything's put back together, it's safe to put or to reconnect the battery. So you're gonna take your ratchet and 10mm socket, reconnect the negative terminal. Oh my gosh, not that balling, just rolling. Where did that ball even come from? Okay, on there just like that, and then take your 10mm, make sure it's tightening. All right, now get this ball out of here. I don't know where that came from. Okay, now without scratching the brand new wrap. Okay, bam, and you're done. All right, guys, it's the next day, and you know what? I just have to give you some ASMR and some actual clips using these paddles. Off the bat, they are so freaking loud. Like, let's say I'm driving right now. You guys hear that? Downshift, upshift, we're pretending. But it is so freaking loud. I don't know if these are gonna like wear in my hair. Oh my gosh. I don't know if these are gonna wear in ever or just be that loud. I mean, I don't mind it. Still, it's really satisfying, and these paddles are freaking sick. So if you guys have a G80, this is a must-have mod that you guys need to do, at least in my opinion. This is probably one of my favorite things by far. So I'm just cruising right now, so don't attack me for not driving crazy. I am in a neighborhood, so I'm gonna be respectful, and I'm not gonna drive crazy, but I just wanted to show you guys the paddles and how they sound, how they look and everything. Like, do you guys hear the freaking click? So much freaking fun. This just like elevates the experience. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you for the next one. Bye!